Hello everyone. Today we are making Moongdal kichidi in an South Indian style. This is our regional specific recipe and we call it as Pulagam. Start by dry roasting a cup of green gram, a split one, till they change to golden and soak them in water for 1 hour. And take a cup of rice, rinse well and soak for 20 minutes. To a hot pressure cooker goes 2 tablespoons of ghee, tablespoon of cumin seed, a tablespoon of mustard seed. Let them splutter. Add half a tablespoon pepper, 2 split green chillies, 7 to 8 curry leaf, fry for a minute. Add a quarter cup of sliced onion, then goes quarter cup chopped tomato. Stir well, then goes half a tablespoon of turmeric and adequate salt and fry for 2 to 3 minutes until the onions are cooked and tomato turns mushy. Add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, which is an optional. Fry till they leave the raw flavor, then goes 4 cups of water. Let the water come to boil, then add soaked green gram and rice. Use only 4 cups of water if you want it to be like a fluffy rice. For 1 whistle on high flame and 2 whistles on low flame. If you prefer this for babies as a porridge, add 1 more cup of water and keep the cooker for 4 whistles. Once done, switch off the stove, leave it for 20 minutes, let it cool down. Then turn it over, mix well and serve with the peanut chutney. Is the preparation for peanut chutney. Roast a cup of peanuts on a low flame and keep them aside. Into the same pan goes a tablespoon of oil and add 7 to 8 red chillies or adjust as per your spice tolerance. Dry roast them for a minute and set aside. Into the same pan goes 2 pinch of coriander seed, 2 pinch of fenugreek seeds, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, a few curry leaves. Roast well until the tomato become mushy and then goes half a tablespoon of tamarind paste or quarter lemon sized tamarind. Pot for a minute and take off from the stove. Let the ingredients cool down. Into the blender jar goes ground nuts and red chillies first and make them into a powder. Then goes the fried ingredients and add adequate salt, 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Blend them into a paste which is coarsely and transfer into a bowl and add few sliced onion as a topping and your groundnut chutney is ready to serve. Here is your Moongdal kichidi along with the groundnut chutney which is ready to be served as breakfast or as a light dinner. Please give a try to this recipe at home and leave a comment how it turned out. Please consider subscribe. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking. Namaste.